What's up guys, Matt with Legacy Roofing and Construction, and today we're going to go over a couple features that go into a new roof. First thing you're going to want to do is going to be to remove all of your old shingles off of the home, and then you're going to expose your decking underneath. Make sure that you replace any moisture damaged wood before putting any new shingles on. Then what we're going to do, or what you should do, is install this ice and water shield 3.5 foot into all of your living spaces. This is a sticky rubber membrane that gets adhered to the wood decking that's going to protect you from any sort of freezing and thawing, especially in the winter time when water gets up underneath of your shingles, which can cause costly repairs. Now, also you want to install this around any chimneys, flashing, skylights, anywhere where water could potentially get into the home and cause costly damages. Now, I hope you found this video informational. If you have any questions, give us a call today at 419-230-0196.